Hello everybody, welcome back to my channel, Ready Take. So
subscribe.
So we're going to do a really creative look. I'm debating if I want to make this a voiceover or not because I'm really gonna have to be focused. So it might just be a voiceover. But I already did my brows. I haven't set my eyes yet because, you know, I don't really care to do that on camera no more. Like, it's kind of pointless. It's easy to do, but I mean, if y'all need me to, you can always leave it in the comments if you do need me to keep doing it. But before we go any further, like I said in the beginning, make sure to subscribe, turn on that notification bell because that will notify you when I post my video. All right, so let's go ahead and jump into this look and yeah.
All right, y'all, so we said we're gonna make this a voiceover, so let's make this a voiceover. So you just gonna blend that up in there, right? Up in the crease. Yup. Then you're gonna move to the next eye. Blend that in too. We're gonna go on with that James Charles palette, because you know, that's the OG. Yeah. So how's your day going? You should leave it in the comment box and let me know how your day has been. What new makeup have you bought? You should tell me that too so I can live through y'all. Majority of the time when I get new makeup it's because of BoxyCharm. But anyway, I'm trying to cut out this cut crease so that when I do put my white eyeliner on it, it's going to stand out a lot more. And it just gives me like a stopping point of where I need to stop with my eyeshadow. All right, finally. Now we're moving on to this neon freaking bright eyeshadow that I got from Mayo Cosmetics, or Mayo Makeup, I'm sorry. Y'all, when I tell y'all my hands and my arms were hurting so bad doing this look, like this video says 7 minutes, but it really took an hour. And like, I had a lot of patience this day. Honestly, I was actually very hungry doing this look too. I have a bad habit of like just jumping into doing what I need to do for the day, but not eating. And that's a problem. And I love food, so I don't know. I was tripping that day. This was the most tedious part of the makeup look. Oh my god, like you really have to have a steady hand to do this stuff. I do it all of the time, but white eyeliner is a different ball game. Like you mess up one time, that's it. And let me tell y'all, I messed up multiple times. You ain't gonna see it in the video, but I cleaned it up. Sure did. So since this is a voiceover, have you subscribed? Do you know the benefits of you subscribing to my channel? Let me tell you, you get great content, you learn new stuff, and yeah, you get to watch my video and be entertained. So I think you should go ahead and click that subscribe button. You've already watched enough videos. You already got to see my personality. I think, you know, you good to go, sis or bro. Go ahead and click the subscribe button. But on a serious note, I'm using a Q-tip just to kind of wipe away the area so that I can move to this step that we're at right now, just to kind of have an outline of where I wanted my eyeliner to go up to. Because the little blank area that we have, we're going to use that for my black liner coming up. BTW, there was nothing about this look that was simple. Or if there was anything I had to say was simple, it was, you know, blending the colors in my crease like I usually do. Because when I tell y'all you need to have a steady hand for this, oh my God, I was tired. Like I was breathing hard. I'm surprised I wasn't sweating. But yeah, you know, not to discourage y'all or nothing. I promise I'm not trying to discourage you. So I already did the boyfriend voiceover, but I think it's time for an updated fiance voiceover because, you know, he is a mess. I want to do a best friend one too, like all my best friends, because that would probably be the funniest thing ever. I think I should do that. All right, now my good sis over here cleaning up the eyeliner and cleaning up whatever eyeshadow was under it because, you know, if you don't, then you don't. Now we're going to do it on the other side too. So what y'all eat today? Y'all should leave it in the comment box because I really am interested. Like, I want to know. But baby, let me tell y'all about these 25mm lashes. They pull this look together so much. Like, you think your lashes pull it together? Get some flyaway lashes. Get some bat looking lashes. Get some lashes that look like there are spiders coming out your eyes, sis. And if anybody got a problem with you being grown and making grown decisions and having big grown girl lashes, tell them to mind their business.
All right, you guys, and this is the finished look. Not too sure how I'm feeling with it. I honestly just got in front of the camera and started doing something. But thank you guys for tuning in. Make sure to like, comment, and
subscribe.
Turn on that notification bell, and I will see you guys in my next video. Peace out.